So Norb sent me their green light migraine therapy relief light. The short waves of green light therapy trigger less photosensitivity, can get some pain relief from green light therapy. So I am going to screw this into my lamp that I use as a nightlight on my bedside table. I'm going to leave it on for the next day or so, and I'll let you guys know how it is as a lighting source. Just for your FYI, it's got 800 lumens. That's how it is at the brightest when it's not dimmed. My lamp does have a dimming switch, so I can switch it between night light mode and just regular light setting, and to use the NorbRELIEF light bulb. So definitely consider switching over to this or one of their other products if you want to save on energy. Alright, thanks guys. So this is my bedside table lamp. It's just got one of those fluorescent bulbs that I'm gonna unscrew. This should... There. Oh! That's so cool.